Email marketing is one of the classic methods. Even with all the advancements in the marketing domain, email marketing still remains one of the most effective methods. To get effective results from your email marketing campaigns, it is vital to follow tried and tested best practices. Here are what we believe to be the best practices of email marketing. Build a permission-based email list. Always ensure you have explicit permission from recipients before sending them marketing emails. Avoid buying email lists or adding people without their consent, as this can lead to spam complaints and damage your sender reputation. Focus on organic methods like website opt-ins, sign-up forms, and clear consent statements during lead generation. Personalization and segmentation. Tailor your email content to the preferences and interests of your subscribers. Use segmentation to categorize your audience based on demographics, behavior, or engagement history. This allows you to send targeted and relevant content, leading to higher open and click-through rates. Compelling and clear content. Your email content should be concise, visually appealing, and easy to read. Use a clear and compelling subject line to entice recipients to open the email. Craft engaging and valuable content that encourages action, such as calls to action, CTAs, that direct readers to your website or landing pages. Mobile responsiveness. A significant portion of email opens occur on mobile devices. Ensure that your emails are optimized for various screen sizes and devices. Use responsive design and test your emails on different devices to ensure they look good and function well on both desktop and mobile. A/B testing and analytics. Continuously improve your email marketing performance through A/B testing. Test different elements such as subject lines, CTAs, content, and sending times to see what resonates best with your audience. Additionally, use email analytics to track key metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversions. Analyzing this data helps you understand what's working and what needs improvement. By following these best practices, you can create effective email marketing campaigns that drive engagement, conversions, and overall business success. Remember to stay compliant with email marketing regulations and respect your subscribers' preferences at all times.